What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video, man. It's your boy Chevy Shawty. I just want to come on here real quick and say thank you, guys. We finally made it to 1,000 subscribers, and in honor of doing that, I am putting together some footage from the day that I bought the car, the day that I found the car, and I'm doing some burnouts in the Camaro ZL1. And since the last video, your boy has gotten married, so congratulations to me. And I just want to say thank you, guys. It's been a long journey to get to 1,000, believe it or not, but we finally here. Without further ado, I'm not gonna hold you up any longer, man. Let's get into the video.
It was at this moment that she knew she f***ed up.
Finally, you let me get in the car when you do donuts.
This is tire shit. Come on, get in.
It comes off?
Boy, out here tripping, y'all. I done went crazy. This one's straight. We out here goddamn burning the rubber off these hoes, boy. Time for some new tires. There it goes, it's coming up. Wow. Damn, that shit unraveling, y'all. You ain't got no what you call? Well, y'all, I done really did it. It's time to go buy some new tires now. It's official. Yep. Definitely gotta go buy some new tires. This one, this side straight, y'all. This the other side. I done told up, what? I told this side up. God damn. Look, come from this side. It's a wrap. It's over with. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Yes, sir. Man.